I'm back with another backtesting video. I haven't made one of these in a while now. If I'm being honest, it's been break. So I have no school, not really. I've just been bored. So I've just been stressing about like what I could do. Cause trading like is December. Trading's sort of dead. Like it was Christmas, and then like PA was bad. PA was bad. It's the weekend. So like I feel like I've just been wasting my time. So I've been stressing just so much about like what online business thing I should get into. But I realized I'm literally doing trading. I'm literally all in on trading already. I've been doing this for 2.5 years. So I'm gonna be posting much more on YouTube. Well, not much more. I'm gonna be posting like how I was posting like a month or two ago, just consistently. On TikTok, I need to post more. I sort of stopped posting on TikTok. I feel like I need to do more TikTok videos where it's like motivational or like just even just like text on the screen. Uh, just some motivational trading thing or just something motivational in general, just stuff like that. Just I need to be posting more often because there's really no reason not to. But yeah, enough of the yibber yabber. Let's get into this back testing session. It's been a minute since I did one of these. I sort of just need to get my confidence up going into this training week and going into 2026 because 2026 has potential to be the best year of my life if I play my cards right, if I'm patient, if I wait for my A+ setup, if my mental is good. So I just need to go into 2026 with the right mind. You know what I mean? Okay, so what day should I do? I'll just do 2023. I'll do. Actually, I'll do January of last year. I don't even think I looked the first like 2 weeks of January last year, or like first week or something. I forget. Boom, boom. Gotta change this like always. I gotta peep my Sedlight glasses. They're blue light glasses. They're low key really nice. Cause my Xbox monitor, it is so bright, and I could like feel the difference in like how much I blink when after like I look at my Xbox, the monitor I use with my Xbox. So I got these, and they actually help a ton. So where was I? Yeah, I need to go to New York. So if you don't know, I trade inverses. Trade relatively like low frequency of trades, high win rate, low RR. So yeah, just stuff like that. What am I doing again? Where is am I? Oh, here it is. I thought I was tripping. Boom, boom. Then New York. This should do the trick. Let me get this out of the way. Okay. Why is it 7 o'clock? Oh, because I need to customize it. New York at 9. I'll do 9. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. So this is Tuesday, January 2nd. Okay. First things first, always check that time frame. Let me put this in. I don't know where to put my face cam, dude. I'll just try here for now. Okay, so obvious drawn liquidity, this hourly low right here. Yeah, very obvious. We made relative equals displaced down to it. So, like, ideally, we go up, tap this hourly, get a nice short. That would be like a very, very, very good trade. And like would take that every single time of the day, even Monday, the grumpiest day of the day of the week. We're a long after we sweep the low, but looks like we're going up. Okay, do we tap the hourly? We did not tap the hourly, so I'm sort of just chilling right now. It is 9:30. Yeah, so I'm sort of just chilling right now. Okay, yeah, I mean it's unfortunate. There's just no entries anywhere, so okay, draw on liquidity hit. I mean, yeah, the draw on liquidity was so obvious, but like we could have gone up after sweeping this low, so fine with no trades there. Well, I need to fix my trim. I might need to get a trim tomorrow. So a long wouldn't be that bad right here. Looks like we're going down though. Okay, so this long looks decent. Let's see if we swept any lows. So we did sweep this hourly low. The hourly, boom. Same thing, just short chilling. 15-minute. Okay, unfilled 15-minute opens up in a second, I think. When does that open? Okay, so we got an unfilled 5-minute right here. So this is a mech model long. I'm pretty sure we inversed everything. 9:58, so 15-minute opens up in a second too. With this momentum, I think I'm gonna take this, go for like a 1-to-1 to the unfilled 5-minute. I think it's definitely worth a stab. Yeah, I'll really just go for a 1-to-1. Maybe even higher. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, looks like we got a solid trade, the first trade. Okay. So yeah, I gotta hold to 1-to-1 till 1-to-1 here. Like, there's just no scaling at 0.2R here. Okay, bet, love that. Perfect 1R. How much did I risk there? I didn't. Okay, I risked 500, but I didn't even look at how much I risked. So boom, just textbook trade, honestly. Mech model, so it's pretty much an inversion. The highest time frame inversion on the leg, targeting an unfold 5 or 15-minute gap. In this case, unfold 5-minute and an unfold 15-minute literally opened up like just now. But yeah, good momentum. Made a like an order block / CISD on the way up. So very textbook. I'd like that trade. The only thing really is there's two things. I would have liked the 1-minute gap to be a little bigger, and also I would have liked us to I would have liked some hourly sell side like right here that we swept, so that there would have been like a reason for this extra leg down, but like we didn't really sweep like any majorly hourly sell side, if that makes any sense. So yeah, let's go to the next session. Check the hourly first. Okay, so we're just in this downtrend. Looks like this should be the drawn liquidity. So I mean, like a short to this or a long after we sweep it would be pretty good. So let's see what happens. Yeah, long after we sweep it would look like. Okay, looks like we're leaving it. So, yeah, I mean, there's no good entries right here, so I'm just gonna stay out. What time? Oh, okay, so we got a data low. A short could be huge right here. Did we inverse? We did inverse a 30-second. Dang, this 30-second short right here actually looked good. Yeah, I probably would have taken this 30-second short if I'm being honest. We had a data low, we had low resistance liquidity, and we had my high time frame draw, and we just swept all this buy side. Let me check like the 15-minute. Yeah, we swept all this buy side, reacted off this 15. I mean, I could still get in here. Is there any SMTs there? Nah, not really. Wait, why is ES look so different? I mean, the short, this short doesn't even look bad, man. It really doesn't. Way now. I'm gonna just stay out. Definitely a good trade, but I'm gonna just stay out. Okay, well, I would have 100% lost on that. So that's pretty cool. I didn't take that bet. Oh, wait. Okay, so we still have data high. Okay, we just swept data low. So a long to data high, if we got bullish momentum here, would be pretty pretty nice. Okay, I mean, we got a tiny 1 minute long right here. We just swept the hourly sell side, tapped this hourly gap. Any drawn liquidities though? Oh my days, wait, we got an unfold 5 right here. Wait, unfold 3 right there as well. This is another good mech long, I can't even lie to you. The 30-second looks way cleaner. Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna take a stab at this, I can't even lie. I can hold for a while, low-key, too. Okay, well, this is retarded, so I would have moved break even after we hit the high. So this unfilled 5 minute was going to be my break even, but like we hit it. So in live time, this is a break even. So what do? Do I close it right now or hope that we go back up? What do I do, chat? 'Cause either way, this. Okay, yeah, I mean, either way, it's going to be counted as a loss if I close it now. So I'm just going to hope it goes back up to my break even. Okay, bet break even. Yeah, I'll just close it because I would have been out break even. We hit break even for sure, right? Yeah, we did. Okay, so break even there. If we inverse this 5 minute, I would take this long. Okay, yeah, so break even did end up saving me, so that's pretty nice. What time is it? Okay, this long could look good too. I can't even lie. If we get it, okay, we got it. The thing is, these setups aren't my favorite whenever we looks like we could generate low resistance liquidity, like with this high. Because this could easily be like the highest we go because we want to generate low resistance liquidity, then we just go down. But in the right context, that doesn't matter at all. And let me just triple check this is the right context. So boom, react off hourly gap, swept hourly low, same thing, swept hourly low, react off hourly gap. Go to the 15 minute. We have an unfilled 15 minute above. 5 minute. We did have the 5 minute. 3 minute. We are in a 3 minute. Let's check the 2 minute real quick. I need to add it. 2 minute add. Yeah, this looks so clean. Did we inverse the 2 minute here? Okay, we did bet. Yeah, this is so clean. I can't even cap, dude. This is clean. Stop loss. Let's do down here, Loki. It could be higher, but okay. Way down. Okay, so it looks like what I was talking about. I still think it works though. Yeah, it looks like we should run this low resistance liquidity here. Nice. Okay. So I could move break even here. We technically swept this internal high. What time is it? It's 10:51. Unfold 15 minute above still. So I'm gonna just trail my stop. And I'll move break even at this high here. Okay, so we did hit that high. Yeah, I'll go break even here. Okay, at least we didn't go all the way to that high. So I'm honestly fine with this break even because we did sweep this internal high and this high right here. And it was relatively late in the session. I'm not like the craziest fan of trading at like 10:50, so I'm fine with that break even. So yeah, depending on how confident I am though. Now, if that unfilled 15 minute was cleaner, if it was like a bigger, more obvious gap, I would have waited for that to get hit. But since it was like small, I didn't really care about it. So next session. So far we got 1 win on break even. I feel like this video has been going on for so long, so I'm gonna try to hurry this up. Way down, way. Okay, it looks like we got this hourly low inside of a new week opening gap. We're trending down towards, but that's kind of a big move. So let's just see what price does. Yeah, there's just no good entries here, so don't need to don't need to make something out of nothing. Was that a bar? Like usually, depending on my mindset, like if I'm fiending for a trade, I would make something out of this and probably like take a stupid short in here, like maybe this inverse. But that's just making something out of nothing because this PA is just awful. And yeah, drawing liquidity still got some distance. So definitely not any good setups at all yet. Wait, okay, we're definitely due for a bad day. I feel like every day's been decent. This is an 11. Okay, yeah, next session chat. Wait, maybe we could get a crazy short. Nah, okay, wrap it up. Way down, way down, way down. Okay, so we got a nice little data high going on. So I've learned my lesson plenty of times. Because all of Dodgy's posts about data highs actually brainwash me. So I would literally take any inverse to a data high and would lose. So I'm done with doing that. Dodgy is actually like a psychopath, dude. He actually like just posts every hindsight trade ever. It's actually insane. But at this 5-minute inverses, this looks good. Oh, well, that's a pretty good close. Nice. Pretty good close there. Looks like we made equal highs of the data highs. Kind of crazy. I mean, I could take this long because it's literally guaranteed to at least go here. So guaranteed break even. But because of that, like, there's not really a point. Yeah, so break even. Break even there, chat. Okay, so what are we doing again in the high time frame? We're doing a whole bunch of nothing. We're in the biggest new week opening gap I've ever seen. It looks like we're displacing out of it. So yeah, I don't really know what's going on. So once again, I'm not going to try to make something out of nothing. So I'm going to just see if like something crazy happens that's worth taking. Yeah, like with high time frame context, just nothing could be good right now because high time frame, I'm just lost. And that's fine. You don't need to know where the market's going 100% of the time. I feel like I need to take my own advice. That'd be pretty good. But okay. Dang. Okay, yeah, next session. First week of January is actually good. Why did I skip it last year? Who brainwashed me? Probably Dodgy into skipping it last year. Okay, so we have an hourly inverse to the upside, so the next high would be this high, so this is the high that I would expect to get hit. So yeah, it's definitely possible that we don't hit it and just go down, but right now, based off what I'm seeing, that high looks like the drawn liquidity. This long looks decent, but like I'm not about to take a long like that yet. Okay, drawn liquidity was hit. Now shorts look solid, I'm pretty sure. I might need to go back to the hourly and check, but okay, maybe not. We're going to the freaking moon. Okay, I'm not really sure what's going on here. Okay, it's almost 11. Maybe we're going to get a mech short. What I noticed is around like 10:50 to like 11, we get some dirty mech shorts. So that's why I sometimes like to stay on. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait. Just based off this pattern, low resistance liquidity, just sweep this internal high, displacement, inversing these in one nice candle. Based on this pattern, this looks insane. Oh my gosh. Is that an unfilled 15 minute? That's an unfull 50-minute. Oh my gosh. So it is mech model, just like I said. Chat, someone clipped that. I literally just said, um, this is why I like to stay on. Did we just sweep any external liquidity? Okay, this is the problem though. It does not look like we swept any, like, anything. Did we actually just not sweep anything? Are these equals? 674. Okay, they are relative. They're as relative equals get, dude. If we swept like this high or something, I would full port this, but like we didn't. 674. Yeah, we didn't. So if we didn't sweep buy side, like I just don't think I could take this. We literally didn't sweep buy side. Otherwise, this would be the most textbook mech short I've ever seen. Yeah, just because of that, I'm out. Still probably gonna work, but just because of that, I'm out. I just don't think it's worth. Just because of that, I'm out. Okay, so this could have been a win. Yeah, this probably would have been a win if I took. All good though. All good. No need to cry about it. I was also at 1109. Like if I'm thinking 1109 trade, it better be like as textbook gets. You know what I mean, chat? I feel like I've been recording for so long. Hopefully my storage doesn't run out mid-video. That'd actually suck. Okay, I'll try to hurry up, take a couple more trades, then call it. So boom. We could literally go either way right here. Like we're reacting off this hourly and we're inside this hourly. So we could either go up or down here. I literally have zero clue. Based off this displacement out of the new week opening gap, we could be bullish, but based off the momentum out of this 4 hour, we could be bearish. So I genuinely have no clue. So I'm gonna let price run and see if it wants to give me anything juicy. Way down, way down, way down. This short looked decent. Looks like it would have been break even. Okay, nothing is good. We're just in a stupid freaking range right now, chat. Okay, well, that was officially the worst session I've ever seen in my life. Look at this zigzag. Okay, so check the hourly. The hourly, we just went up, swept this hourly high, swept it down. Okay, so here now we got an obvious draw. We have this draw, and if we displace past this low, the next draw should be obviously this low. If we get a bullish reaction off this low, then draw should be higher. Simple stuff, chat. What time is it? 9:27, dang. Okay, a short here could be nice. I would want to see us like sweep a little higher probably. Nice, and then a short here. I mean, that would just be textbook now. Okay, so we got a short here, huh? So we went up, tapped this hourly. We have this hourly inverse to the downside. We swept this 15-minute high, reacting off that 15-minute. We are in this 5-minute gap. For that reason, I'm out. Yeah, for that reason, I'm actually out. Is there a bearism at the high? There actually is. This just doesn't look that clean, so for that reason, I'm out. Dang, I was trying to wait for this like 1 minute to inverse. Okay, the 5-minute. Let me check 15. Okay, I have PTSD from entering 5 minutes when we're in a 15 since I lost my last trade. That did that. Oh yeah, this 3-minute would have been good. What time is it? 9:50. I mean, yeah, nothing here is like that good. So yeah, I'm gonna just play it out, sadly. Okay, this is honestly sort of what I wanted to see, like a little pullback, then a 30-second entry. 5 minute is just spacing down. We just inverse this, I think, did we? Okay, yeah, we inverse everything on the 5 minute. The 15 minute is about to close. When's the 15 minute close? Like 5 minutes, yeah. Dang, bro. It just sucks. There was no like good entries because like we could easily like inverse this, re-sweep this high, then go down. Yeah, I mean, clearly since how much I'm thinking about it, it's not A plus. So for that reason, I'm out. I'm pretty confident this works though. Okay, bet. So I think yeah, it would have been break even. Hopefully we get a retrace, then an entry would be sick. This 1 minute maybe. Okay, we just got this 1 minute. Okay, wait. 15 minute close bullish though. What's up with that? Okay, so boom, 5 minute inverse everything. We went up, tapped this 5 minute. Any cleaner 30 seconds? There's not, unfortunately. That's kind of weird. That is kind of weird, chat. Okay, let me go through every time frame again. So obvious hourly draw inversed everything to it. The 15 minute. Why do we have to respect these 15 minutes, bro? 5 minutes went up, tapped the 5 minute. Like, I wouldn't say this is A plus because it's not like that clean, but like discretionally, I think I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this like half size or something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna try this half size. I'm not trying to do a limit. Why is it doing limits? Market sell. I'll de-risk to 0.5. Okay, let's see. Okay, I bet. Well, TP in one candle, nice. So yeah, I thought it was at least worth it to risk half size. Definitely wasn't like A plus obvious, but like discretionally it was definitely very good. So yeah, nice. I'm glad I took that. It was definitely worth a risk. So yeah, next session I'll probably do one more win just because I don't want to make this a year-long video. But yeah. Way down, way down, way down. Looks if these are equal. No, we swept it by a tiny bit. Yeah. Okay, so right now there's not really any obvious draw. It just looks like we're kind of bearish. What is this? Like freaking NFP? No, it's not. Okay, wait. Long to this data high. Okay, never mind. This is where Dodgy brainwashes me because he says how good data highs are. Like this was old me. I'd be like, okay, where's the long button? Where's the long button? Where's an inverse? I'm longing. But like this is a protected high. We swept this high. Like so longs aren't even like that cool right now. So I'm gonna just chill. We could definitely still go up, but like in this context, it's not the best right now. Okay, yeah, it looks like we still want to go up. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, I think Powell top tick this 50% of this wick. So fair play to Powell. Oh, this short looked good. I ain't not like crazy good, but short looked decent. Okay, I mean a continuation short here could feed families. Hold on now. Okay, so we're trending towards this hourly low right here. 15-minute, we just retraced up. This looks like a textbook sell model. Retraced up, tap this 15-minute. Looks like we have a bearish reaction out of it. Tap this 5-minute, bearish reaction off of it. So the only thing is there's no internal drawn liquidity, which I like to see, like equals low resistance liquidity, unfilled 5, 15 minute. But there's none of that. But once again, I think this is going to be worth. What time is it? 10:30. I think this will be. Oh, wait. Oh, bad. I thought my live ended. Holy crap. I think this will be worth a half size once again, especially with this risk to reward. So I'm going to try it half size once again. Bang. Okay, I bet. Stop break even. Okay, let's see if break even saves. Please save. Please, please, please. Please. Wait, did we just get a 5 minute? Oh, we did just get a 5 minute inverse. So this is another potential entry. This is another good entry, man. Textbook continuation model. React on a 15-minute gap. 5 minute inverse out. High time frame draw over to the left. You sort of have like low resistance liquidity too with it. We did inverse the 5 minute, man. And the 3 minute. I think I'll try this half size again. Okay. What time is it? 11:02. I'm gonna go break even since we hit this 1 minute low. Should I go break even? Like on the 5 minute, we technically didn't hit a break even. Yeah, I'll go break even. Screw it. Trading isn't the funnest thing I've ever done. Oh my gosh, that blows. This is pretty much what happened to me the other day too. Like I took a 5 minute inverse and then I moved break even based on the 1 minute, and then I got break even and then it ran TP. Okay, so maybe I should just move based on the time frame I entered the inverse off of. Like wait till we hit like this low. So yeah, but I also do that just because like the drawn liquidity like wasn't A plus obvious here. Like it wasn't low resistance liquidity or equals or anything. But yeah, it's just my discretion will get better with that eventually. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. I literally like top take that move too and got break even. That sucks, bro. What should I call it? Yeah, I'll just try to get one more win. Let's check the hourly. So, okay, yeah, so we swept these, then got bullish momentum. Okay, so the data high should be the draw. Okay, yeah, bet. So yeah, it looks pretty clearly bullish here. Okay, well, no long entries. Okay, hold on. Okay, we made relative equal highs here, so this looks promising. Okay, long off this leg. We got a small 1 minute. Okay, so boom, tap this hourly gap, tap this hourly order block type thing. Tap this 15-minute gap. Is there an unfold 5 anywhere, please? No unfold 5 anywhere. We made pretty much equal highs. So I'm gonna try this. The reason is if this gap was any bigger, like not any bigger, but this gap was like cleaner in general, like I would full port this. So, and I tell myself, don't let the size of the gap like affect my trade that much. So, I'm gonna take a stab at this. I'm gonna go half size once again because like there's no equals low resistance liquidity. Did I do half size? I think so. Okay, stop break even. And then there's no reason to not hold all the way to these equals because they're literally like equal highs. Okay, let's see. Okay. Hopefully it saves me. Okay, break even saves me. Okay, wait, a long on this leg would look nice if we got bullish momentum here. Doesn't look like we're. Okay, what time is it? It's 11:08, so still in my range. We generated some low resistance liquidity, I'd say. So, boom, still reacting off the hourly. Reacting. We filled the 15 and are reacting off of it. Is there any cleaner gap? Okay, wait, this 3-minute looks clean. 3-minute looks clean. 2-minute looks pretty clean. Do we inverse those? 3-minute. We inverse the 2-minute for sure. I'll take this 2-minute. Break even like low key, like this high. Wait, so did the 3-minute not inverse yet? $11.07. So 3-minute should inverse on next candle. I'm gonna just enter here. Yeah, go half size once again. Hold all the way up. Okay, so we did hit this high. Okay, we hit this high as well. So definitely could be a break-even point. I mean, yeah, I'll get break-even. It's most likely going to be break-even trade, but whatever. Okay, maybe. I have faith. Okay, well, at least break-even saved me once again. Come on, just one more win is all I need under my freaking belt. This long looks good based on this low resistance liquidity. Wait, now. Yeah, this long looks good, even though it's not really like an inverse play. Okay, yeah, we're just like chopping around, so I'm not actually going to take anything. Ideally, we leave this buy side, though, and then come down and get a short. Or come down and then get a long. Wait, what? Okay, yeah, it's Monday. It's just a no news Monday, I guess. Okay, yeah, long here. This looks good, dude. I'm not really sure what this price action is, though. But, is it good? This hourly is actually shambles. But on the 15-minute, we just swept these relative equal lows, got bullish momentum. Okay, the 3-minute didn't even get an inverse. Okay, I mean, yeah, we're probably going to keep going up here, but I'm going to just call it a day because price action looks like my frickin', I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, so hourly. Looks like we tapped this hourly. We're just bouncing forth between these two hourlies, so like bias isn't really clear. Let's just see where we start trending towards off open. Way down, way down, way down. Yeah, just not a fan of it. I mean, yeah, shorts look decent, I guess. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, just nothing too crazy here either. Ooh, maybe a mech model play. Was this long good? No, not really. What the heck is that, chat? What's up with that candle? Does anybody care to explain what that is? Okay, let's go next session. Just one more win under my belt is all I need, man. So we swept these hourly lows. We could want this low, or we could want higher. Let's find out. Let's do less predicting and more reacting, is what I like to say. Or I just stole that from what Justin Orlean says. Either one. Okay, let's see if we. Okay, let's see if a long would look juicy as frick if we got it. Okay, it looks like we're just lollygagging. Never mind. Did we sweep anything? No. So no, we just have this low. We got displacement past this low, so we're definitely, not definitely, but we look bearish here. I'm going to forward test this. So we got to unfold 15 minutes. This is a complete forward test. Like, this could be awful, but like, we got an unfold 15 above. We got a very nice displacement candle towards it. So I'll just do this, see if it works. Nothing happens if it does. Nothing happens if it doesn't. But okay, bet it worked. Nice. Clip it, chat. Clip it, chat. I'm him. No, I'm playing. Because if that lost, I would have been like, yeah, I wasn't even trying, or something stupid. You know what I mean? Okay. Short. Okay, so let's see. The short doesn't look that bad. So we're in this 15-minute. Okay, so we already tapped this 5-minute. This 5-minute was unfilled. This would be way better. Yeah, I'm gonna just stay out. It looks good though. Okay, yeah, probably gonna call it there, yeah. Come on, man. One more good trade is all we need, man. All we need, man. Well, I feel like I trade way differently than I did last January for some reason. Even though I still trade like inverses, I still trade way differently. Like I remember last January I took like, I think it was the most break even month ever for me. I think like I was so frustrated that month because I had like maybe not five, maybe like 3 trades where I moved break even too early, got stopped break even, then ran to my TP. I guess that did happen. I guess that did happen a lot actually this session, but I'm actually up instead of down, so looks like we're making progress. Yeah, like I usually remember everything that happens. Not everything, but like if I see a good setup, I usually like would remember it from like this year or last year. But now I just like feel like I switched how I traded so much because I used to trade pattern trades, but now I trade like more narratively, I guess, if that makes sense. I don't know. So boom, we're in this hourly. We just swept all these hourly highs, so we could be bearish, could be bullish. I guess we'll never know. But yeah, let's see. Jeez, my lips are chapped as a freaking. Let's see. A short after sweeping buy side, possibly. Or a long, who knows? Okay, so this long, I mean, it's probably gonna work. It's realistically gonna work, but just look at this like range we're dealing with, and it's just like not like the cleanest. Yeah, so Looks good, but I'm gonna just not take it. I'd rather like catch shorts after. Okay. Oh. Geez, how are we not? Okay. A short would look nice now. Is there any 5 minutes on this leg? No, okay, there's no good fair value gaps, so never mind. Just ignore the shorts. I mean, I would be short enough if there was any good fair value gaps. But you just gotta follow your rules sometime. Okay, yeah, next session, next session. Patience pays, chat. Patience pays. Okay, are we like all-time highs? Jeez, okay, we are. So, boom. Looks like we just inverse this 50-minute to downside. Okay, so I'm not really sure for sure. I'm not sure for sure what the bias is, so I'm gonna see what happens. Okay, looks like we're dumping a little. Hourly, we tap this hourly, got a bullish reaction out of it. 5 minute, we're inside this 5 minute. These equal lows? Don't tell me. 6625. I don't think so. 66. Yeah, so okay, these are relative equal lows, so still a good draw. If we react off this 5 minute. Okay, so this short actually doesn't look bad. Like we got some. Let me check 30-second out. Yeah, 30-second looks good, dude. We got some like small low resistance liquidity. And then we got relative equal lows down here as the high time frame draw reacting off 5 minutes. So this is a good continuation trade. More or less. Not really actually, since we're technically like reacting off these two gaps right now. So yeah, more or less good, but I'm gonna stay out of it, but it looks just solid. Okay, so probably would have been break even. We got another short, looks like, but I'm staying out. I'd rather catch a long after we sweep the lows. Okay, we have so much low resistance liquidity now. Look at all this low resistance liquidity. Holy crap. Okay, next session. Jeez, man. All I need is one more setup, chat. Just one more. Okay, what the zigzag? Okay, so we set this hourly low. I mean, we're at all-time highs. Bias could be anything once again. So whenever the bias is unclear, I like to see if we generate any like nice internal liquidity, like equals or low resistance. It's so hard to say low resistance liquidity because that's just like makes the bias easier because we usually tend to go towards them. Okay, some displacement it appears. I mean, there's not really any setups here. We swept buy side. We're in a 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, there's no setups anywhere. Don't tell me we go back up, bro. Okay, good. Okay, a long would look decent-ish based on that buy side. Okay, maybe not. Okay, next session once again. Sorry, Chad. I'm trying to hurry this up, man. I'm just not trying to take a stupid trade. Okay, so shorts won't look bad. But once again, bias could literally be anything right here. should honestly just skip the day if the high time frame doesn't look clear. Okay, so just some displacement down. There's definitely no entries anywhere though. Okay, swept the low, got some bullish momentum up. We inverse both these 1 minutes. Is there like a big 3 minute? Maybe if we got like a 3 minute inverse here. Okay, so we should be in a 5 minute now. Yeah, I mean, we inverse this 5 minute, but like, oh, I mean, this looks decent. We tapped the hourly gap, swept the hourly low. Very bullish momentum. But like, drawn liquidity is nothing. Drawn liquidity is just air. 5 minute inverse looks good though. I'm expecting it to play out. Okay, well, that's why I didn't take it, chat. Nice. Okay, the hourly, we're still at all-time highs. 15 minute, 30 minute, I don't know, man. Let's just see what market open gives us. Holy crap. Don't tell me there's a 30. Okay, bet. Okay, yeah, there's no possible entries anywhere. Hold the phone. We made like triple equal lows down there. We're just going away from them, I guess. Nice, dude. A 1 minute inverse. What's it reacting off? Oh, freaking air, chat. Nice. Okay. I guess I'll play out a little bit longer. Yeah, next session. Jeez Louise, man. This is a hassle. Okay, so hourly displacement up. Shorts would look good based on this low resistance liquidity below. But let's see. Oh my gosh, and we got a juicy data, and we got like relative equal lows to the data. Yeah, shorts look lovely. Like in this case scenario, this data looks lovely because it actually aligns with the bias. This 1 minute inverse would look decent. Do we get it? I think we just got it. If we get another close, I might. Okay, bet. Good. Okay, 9:30 open. Any 30 seconds on this leg. A 30-second on this leg would be pretty nice. Okay, so there is one, but we inversed it by like half a centimeter. So I'll wait for like another close if I were to take it. Okay, yeah, it just doesn't look good anymore. Hopefully we could still get a short entry somewhere. Yeah, I mean, there's just no good entries anywhere. Bias is really nice, but there's no good entries. There's no point in entering. Okay, so we inverse this 1 minute, looks, or 2 minute, what the heck? Okay, so I could just take this 5 minute inverse, we inverse this, but I'll stay on the 1 minute. Dang. Okay, no entries. Is there a 5 minute on this leg? No, there's not. Wow, yeah, there's just no good entries here. Oh, it's 11. I thought that day was gonna be good. Guess not. Okay, we gotta be due for a good day, right? We gotta be. So we inverse this to the upside, so hypothetically this should be the draw. Is that a data low? No, we just swept the data high though. Why was that kind of a bar? Did we just sweep the data low? No, we just swept the data high though. Yeah, I gotta grow up, chat. Yeah, nothing's going on, man. Long here. This could be good. I can't even lie to you. Looks like we have equal the highs there too. Okay, let's check the high time frame. High time frame, hourly inverse to upside. Did we miss this hourly? Dude, if we tap this hourly, this would actually be perfect. Do we tap? I mean, we tapped the. What did we tap, man? Did we tap anything, chat? We swept the 15-minute low, and then we just gave up? Jeez Louise, man. Like, this still looks good, though. Because, one, we have equal highs we're right next to and we're getting displacement towards. Dude, there's no way. Are these equal? Okay, these are equal lows. There's just 0 way I'm taking this. Low is 725. Low is 725. Low is 7. So this low was. So we have relative equal lows. Nice. Okay, I'm not taking this long then. Holy crap. Now we'll look. Chat. Ah, I didn't see this tiny gap above. Wait. Okay, chat, yeah. I will definitely be executing this if we inverse the small 1 minute above. Okay, chat. And I gotta take this, chat. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I gotta take this. I'll just target pretty much 1-to-1 here. React on a 15-minute. Let go over the confluences. So boom, start highest time frame. Hourly, inverse this hourly to upside. Reacting off this hourly CISD. Reacting off this hourly gap. 15-minute, reacting off this 15-minute gap. 5-minute, swept lows, I guess. 1 minute, equal highs right here. Low resistance liquidity. Order block, 1 minute inversion, good momentum. Yes, pretty textbook, can't even lie to you. I'll risk heavier on this one. I'll just risk 1. Wait, if I want to risk heavier, I look, you need a bigger stop then. Okay, I'll just do 1-to-1. Okay, chat. This is the last trade, no matter what. So, may the best man win. Shout out to the person in chat who told me to remove my stop loss from here and put it lower. Shout out to you. Holy crap. Okay, I mean, TP hasn't even been hit yet, but we hit the equal highs. We ran like the trend line. Definitely a solid break-even point here. Don't do me like this. We did it! We did it! Bang! Okay, let's go over the stats. I didn't lose once, so if it says I took a loss, then this thing is retarded. Okay, 83% win rate. Not sure how that's possible. I only had wins and break-evens, so bet. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Okay, well, this is break-even. Does it count break-even as losses? I'm confused. So this was what wait, there's no way 166 was a half size win. Oh no, this is when I closed early, and this half size win, full size win, full size. Okay, but this is why patience pays here. I missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 just for the 9 today to be an A+ full size setup. That's all you need, man. Patience pays. Gonna wrap it up, dude. This is low-key an hour long. I can't tell yet, but it's probably an hour long. So sorry for those who had to sit through this. I'm going to be documenting my trading journey every single day, so make sure to subscribe, like, feel free to join the free Discord. The link's in my YouTube bio, and that's been the video. Peace out.